Hello traders, welcome to the channel. This is going to be another live trading session. When I say live, I mean that all the price action that you're going to see in this video, I'm seeing it for the first time. So those are real live executions. I'm currently trading real money. This is not demo trading. So let's get right into it. Today, the markets are gapping up. SPY is currently up 0.85%. The Qs are up 1.1%. I think primarily the markets are up on the news that Russian and Ukrainian delegates begin peace talks in Istanbul today. The conflict looks like it could potentially calm down a little bit. Oil prices are also down today. On my watch list, I have the usual suspects: AMD, COIN, Facebook, Tesla, NVDA. I am also watching the short squeeze stocks, AMC and GME. AMC had an absolutely crazy day yesterday with more than 200 million shares traded, a massive move on the daily, as you can see. And within the last 25 minutes or so, as you can see, pre-market, the volume picked up again. Currently, it's traded more than 7 million shares pre-market. So this stock is definitely in play today. So if we look on a larger time frame, it's still way down of its highs in 2021. Still, the short squeeze can continue. GME lagging behind a little bit. It's actually currently down 0.84 percent plus. In terms of volume, it looks like there is not as much interest for GameStop as for AMC, but I'm still watching them as they're very similar stocks in terms of how they move right now. So my goal today is to look for long setups. As you can see, all the stocks on my entire watch list are all above short-term moving averages. Most of them are also above 200 SMA and 50 SMA, like NVDA, like Tesla, like AMD. Coin and Facebook, on the other hand, they are way off its 2021 highs. Coin is actually a recent IPO, and around the IPO price on the IPO day was its all-time high. But in terms of short-term momentum, all those stocks are currently above 9 EMA and 21 EMA. So I will be looking for long setups and bear traps. In terms of AMC or GME, honestly, it could go either way. I'm not sure. I don't want to be too biased to a particular side, long or short. I guess I'll just look at volume, at relative strength, and maybe I'll try to buy dips or breakdowns just for scalping purposes. And we just opened. I will fast forward to the point where I take the first trade, so I'll see you in a moment. Watching NVIDIA for a potential 1 minute opening range breakout here. I'm long here 8 shares, anticipating the breakout. Risking about $10 per trade right now. Nasdaq is showing strength. I'm watching it on my other screen. Let's see if it can actually break out here. I'm gonna put a stop order in. I'm long Tesla here. Three shares. Decided to get out here because it's looking a little bit heavy. Close to $12.94 on this trade. In the meantime, and as soon as I got out, of course, it started pushing higher. But I'm also watching COIN here. Can it potentially break the daily low a little bit? The spread is 80 cents, 70, 80 cents. It's really large. Tesla in the meantime is testing daily low, so it was ended up being a good time to get out actually. Can break the daily low here. This could be a really good bear trap. Let's see if it can push below 197.50. Okay, I'm into coin 8 shares. The weakness in Nasdaq is not good, and S&P for my position right now. But at least it's not going lower like the broad market. It's a really good sign. I'm gonna placed a couple of orders into the market just in case of a squeeze. One just got filled, very nice. Can you push a little bit above VWAP coin? Just a little bit. Huh. It's like only part got executed. I need to add a column because only sold only one share, sold the rest. Can I make another push higher? I'm gonna get out of the rest. Towards 200. Come on, coin. You can do it. Here you go. And I'm out completely from coin. Really nice trade, I feel like. So just to recap, the first trade that I took was on NVDA. I was looking for a 1 minute opening range breakout. It's an uptrending hourly, uptrending daily, above all the short-term moving averages. Plus I saw the tape speeding up at the time. I took a long anticipating a breakout, but the breakout was actually a false breakout. It's reversed, and I think I got out on a stop order, lost $11.60 on that trade. My next trade was on Tesla. Here I pretty much bought the breakdown because from trading Tesla a lot, I know that if you are able to get in at a good price on those wicks below or above the daily price, usually there is some sort of retraction. And this particular one ended up rolling over and making new daily lows. However, I managed to actually get out completely out of this trade right below VWAP, made $12.94 on this trade. And the final trade I took was on COIN. Again, a very similar setup to Tesla, where I'm buying a strong uptrending stock on multiple time frames, and I'm buying the breakdown. And as you can see, this trade works on several levels. First, it's a bear trap for those traders who are selling the breakdown. So there is a lot of sellers who piled in here. Plus, there are some sellers who've been buying the retest of the VWAP. There are sellers who've been buying the break of this bear flag. So I know that there is a lot of selling activity here, and market makers often create those price structures just to lure traders in and then to run their stops, because everyone who's probably been buying here, their stop is probably around here somewhere above this pivot high. Some put their stops above VWAP. Those who maybe shorted the breakdown start covering here. But the point is that when those sellers start seeing their positions going red, when they see the price going against them, they start covering, and it results in a more or less good move. Sometimes this move rolls over, sometimes it continues. Recently, I haven't been seeing too much continuation to test the daily high on those setups. That's why I'm willing to get out faster. As you can see, my winners are not much bigger than my loss on NVIDIA. If plus actually had many more executions, not many more, but more executions on winning trades. So I also pay more commissions for those. But in any case, I found that in recent times, my setups don't have enough follow through for me to justify, holding for 2 to 1 or especially 3 to 1. That's out of the conversation right now for me, especially for scalping. I think a much healthier targets, especially in this market for scalpers, should be 1 to 1, maybe 1.5 to 1. You should be at least. I believe that scalpers in this market environment should be grateful for small moves that they can get, the small predictable moves. Um, and yeah, just take what the market gives you. I'm going to wrap it up here. I'm happy with the day. Green is always good in my book. 2 winning trades out of 3. Plus, respected my stop loss, risk management, and everything. Plus, as you can see on Tesla, it was actually really good out. On Coin, also, being greedy and hoping for a retest of the daily high doesn't always work. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day here. I gotta get back to my day job uh, soon, and thank you everyone for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.